Jen, I didn't videotape you.
0844084, 62 handicap.
I love you, Jen.
3220.
How is she faster than me? I was cruising.
You look like an old lady up there.
40 seconds. Did you get all on video?
I didn't get you because I can't tell who it is. And then as soon as I get it out and get it opened up, then it's too late. So I'm getting everybody else.
There's one spot up top that's icy. I slid out a little bit.
I can't see anything out of this thing. Slow down now.
Whoa, whoa.
4084, 62 handicap. Bronze medal. It's the exact same time as Jennifer.
All right.
Come on, Jack.
Come on, Jack.
Oh.
3400, 34 flat. That's a 35 handicap. Platinum.
Platinum. All right, Jacko. Here comes Liam.
This is so much fun.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it
I
really
want
is.
this and the yeah.
You guys got to clear out just in case.
Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out.
.33, 80 handicap. Bronze medal.
All right, Liam. These guys are coming down fast. Like one on top of each other. Here comes Drew.
I got two presents.
Good for you.
After Uncle Drew's Sunday, maybe we go ask him something you're leaving.
He is flying.
28.23, 12 handicap gold.
Gold. All right.